We're out in front of the house. Just went down to Mass with Monsignor Richter.
Southern Norway recently experienced a severe snowstorm that closed schools in several coastal municipalities, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tuveda, Strandreiser, and Arendal.
Stuck. Look at that, you can't see a goddamn thing.
Severe weather conditions prompted the decision, with closures expected at least until Wednesday. In response to the emergency, the Red Cross quickly deployed additional ambulances and more than a dozen snowmobiles to transport medical teams if needed. The continued snowfall, which lasted from Monday night into Tuesday, suspended local train services, affecting parts of Arendal, Banen, and Sorlen in Banen, and Vestfold, Banen. Meteorologists in the state had earlier issued warnings of heavy snowfall and strong winds in northern areas. Those predictions came true on New Year's Eve, disrupting transportation and leaving thousands of residents without power in the southwestern county of Agder. In Grimstad, a popular summer vacation spot, the snow was knee-deep. The Christian sands of the city were almost buried in snow. Local mayors across southern Norway have advised against driving and encouraged residents to stay indoors. Despite the inclement weather, some important crosstown bus lines were running on a reduced schedule. However, tram services from the city center to the mountains at Frognersteran, a popular skiing destination, had to stop early Monday afternoon. Coastal areas experienced worse weather than the mountains, where many roads remained open.
Taken off of I-80 because of multiple accidents along the way involving cars, trucks, pickups, you name it.
Third lowest.
Motorists had to wait long to join the escorted convoy. State meteorologists have raised their warning for heavy snow and challenging transportation conditions through Wednesday. A new cold front was expected to cause a significant drop in temperatures. Residents of Oslo were among those warned of the impending frigid conditions, which were expected to persist well into next week. Southern Norway, especially Arendal, was covered by a thick layer of ice up to 80 centimeters deep.
Let it snow. Let
Well,
it
just
snow.
we'll take a picture of this, send it to Dad, so you could be in this crap. Wow.
The weather forecast has predicted an additional 40 centimeters of snow in just one day due to heavy snowfall. In response, local authorities closed schools and kindergartens to ensure safety. Substantial snow has disrupted mail delivery and garbage collection services. Residents were advised to work from home due to hazardous weather conditions. The situation along the coast was more serious than in the mountains, but roads were able to remain operational. Martin Granrod, a meteorologist at the Norwegian Meteorological Institute, told NRK that the last time temperatures fell to 25 in Oslo's Blinden was in 2010. If such a low temperature is recorded again, it will be the coldest in 14 years. Rain fell at Sørland, and the coast was exposed to wind and heavy snowfall. The Home Guard, Red Cross, and Civil Defense help municipalities maintain life and health. Farm workers worked tirelessly to keep the roads safe. By Thursday, the rain and wind had largely subsided, and snow removal was in full swing.